Hi, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to turn off pop-up font on your Redmi Note 13 Pro keyboard. So this is very obvious tutorial. You just go to your setting and then find the Gboard settings. You just type in Gboard on your settings until you can find this Gboard option. You just click on the Gboard and then you can click these preferences over here. You can see there, if you scroll down, there is an option of pop up on key press, so you can turn it on or turn it off. For me, I don't like this feature since I don't know, maybe it reduce our battery life, so I just turn it off and then that's it. Very simple, and then makes my phone, I think, better than previous. So this is very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.